Okay, today I am going to talk to you guys about why you should never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment for any reason. Now remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people to leave the building immediately because there is a fire emergency. These are not to be messed around with. Do not ever go up to the fire alarm and take the plate off. You don't ever do this. You just tampered with fire alarm equipment. Do not ever go up to the alarm and change the candela. You don't do this, right? You never tamper with fire alarms. Also, you never change the tone on the alarm, you never change the pattern on the alarm, and you never change the volume on the alarm. You don't ever try to take the alarm off the wall. You don't pop this thing out and unscrew it. You do not take this thing with you. You leave it alone on the wall where it's at. Leave the candela alone. Leave the tone alone. Leave the volume and pattern alone. You leave the plate on the fire alarm. You don't touch that. Remember, this thing saves lives. So do not tamper with it.